Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whenever you're watching, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Megan Renee, and today we'll be food prepping some items from Costco, getting ourselves ready for a successful, healthy, delicious meal prepping week. If that's something that you're interested in, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
We do have a lot of food that we need to prep, so I'm going to go ahead and get food out and prep it all so that throughout the week we are completely set and ready to be successful for the week. So we have carrots, squash, bell pepper, broccoli, asparagus, green beans. We have two things of strawberries, berries, grapes. Some of the things that I have already on hand is the Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce. This is really good. Frank's hot sauce is also really good. Korean barbecue sauce, Hawaiian style barbecue. Costco came in for the win on Kamala olive. Del Rio salsa, some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, bananas, the organic cauliflower rice. But the Del Rio at Costco has this chili verde, and I'll put a picture up of what it looks like. But that, it's a pre-packaged and it is Whole30 compliant. And do Whole30 the chicken apple sausage. And these are, I don't have the name, I'm gonna pronounce it wrong, but they are a Whole30 compliant breakfast sausage.
I have some bags, and I'm gonna get out and try to make it first. I think I'm gonna wait on the chicken.
So, you saw me just pull out everything that we bought from Costco, and now I'm getting ready to, wash things down, starting with the fruits, because I typically soak those in water and then about maybe a cup of vinegar, and I let them soak for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, then give them a good rinse. But while I've been on this journey of trying to find more efficient ways to prep my food for the meals that I have ready for the week, I have noticed quite a few people who use salad tossers or salad spinners as a way to wash and rinse their fruit. And that was, I don't know, mind-blowing for me for some reason. I have seen salad spinners many times in my life. My grandmother used to use them a lot. I would have never thought to use them for fruit, but yeah, it works. According to them, I have not used them. I want to. I'm looking into possibly getting that. So here I'm cutting my zucchini and squash. And, prior to this journey, we would typically choose to get the frozen vegetables. rather than buy fresh most of the time. And, through this journey, what I have found that is if you cut the, squash or zucchini into like a 1 to 1.5 inch piece, they roast so much better in the oven than doing small slices as if you were to maybe steam them. And so yeah, and it's great because you're not cutting so much. So just a little side tip. So I'll be closing out the video pretty soon, abruptly. And mainly it's because my vacuum seal tool that I have decided to stop working, and I got really frustrated. You might have noticed me struggling with it earlier. I had to do a real quick pivot and figure out how I was going to store all of these fruits and vegetables without proper seal containers. I ended up just using bags, but anyhow, thank you for joining me and welcome to my kitchen. I hope that you come back soon. Bye-bye.